Good morning. So it's now officially day 8 of our stay here in Malaysia. Oop, there we go. So, we have breakfast with this too. Taste test na natin yan. And then, we'll also be having more coffee. What's ba? It's roughly around 3:30 in the morning. So, sobrang dilim pa sa labas. Yeah, agaw nagising ngayon. Ang 2 o'clock pa lang gising na ako. Alam mo na kung pasok ng ganito kaaga. Well, kasi sa Pilipinas, my shift is from 4 a.m. Kaya yung body clock ko, nasanay ng gantong kaaga gising na. Tapos, ang pasok ko naman dito is 9 a.m. So, I have plenty of time to prepare for today. But before that, let's have our breakfast first. So we have here caramel nasi, salted caramel flavored cream roll. Perfect. Right. And then we also have the vanilla flavored cream roll. So parehas malambot. The filling inside is color white. Naman. Oh, it's color brown. Okay. So the vanilla first. Sweet vanilla siya. Pero overpowering pa rin yung cream na taste niya. Kaya hindi siya masyadong malasang vanilla. This one. The salted caramel. Interesting kasi ang ganda ng color niya pero wala siyang lasa. I mean may lasa siya, lasang cream. Overpowering pa rin yung cream niya pero yung salted caramel na taste, it's missing. So for this time or for this round, it's the vanilla. Kahit pa paano, may lasa yung vanilla niya. Unlike sa salted caramel, wala akong malasahan sa salted caramel. It's more of the cream that I'm tasting dun sa bread na yun. Alright, there you go. Pero between vanilla and pandan, so yung winners ng both rounds, I'll go with pandan pa rin. Mas flavorful yung pandan. Yeah, I'm mixing my coffee. So what we are going to do today is finishing my notes. Kasi some of the pointers or some of the lessons that we had yesterday, pinicturean ko lang siya para nakafocus pa rin ako, nakikinig pa rin ako. So, ako kasi I'm a visual learner and at the same time, gusto ko tinitake note ko yung mga important details. Kasi, when I do that, nagre-register siya sa mata ko. Kasi there were times na nagiging, dito yung photographic memory ko, malakas. And then there were times naman na mas naaalala ko siya kasi sinulat ko. Kaya, para sure ako, ginagawa ko na lang siya ng parehas. I do not rely on one only. Ayoko mag-rely lang dun sa photographic memory ko kasi baka mamaya bigla akong mag-amnesia. Paano na? So I always have a backup with me para I am secured that kung ano naman ang mangyari, may notes ako na pwede kong balikan. Diba? So today, what's gonna happen is it's day 8 of our stay here in Malaysia. Pero sa training, it's day 3 pa lang, Wednesday. Tapos I'm not sure yet kung ano mangyayari ngayon sa training. Pero yesterday, we were given cell phones individually ha. Bawat isa sa amin may sari-sariling cellphone. It's not for us to keep, it's not for us to bring back home. It's for us to use for verification purposes dun sa account, which is actually amazing. Kasi, di ba, sino mag-i-invest ng ganung amount para sa training pa lang? Tapos, for you guys or for us to have our accesses as early as day 2 pa lang ng training, ang bilis nila dito. Nagawa na kagad nila ng access lahat-lahat. And the trainers here are very much equipped dun sa dapat nilang gawin. You don't have to ask or you don't have to wait a long time. Kasi alam na nila kung ano yung dapat nilang gawin. And they will do it right there and then. Ang bilis talaga ng process. Now the verification, it's simple steps lang siya that we need to follow. And nagawa rin naman agad lahat-lahat. Back when I was in the Philippines kasi, we use our own phones for verification. Kaya medyo hassle siya kasi since you have your own phone inside the production, ang tendency is for you to check your phone or use your phone every now and then kapag avail time or even during a call. Nagagamit ng mga agents yung phones nila. Kaya medyo hindi siya advisable. But here, what we are doing or what we are going to do rather is we'll be leaving our personal phones sa lockers namin, personal lockers, and then we'll be using our the given phone for verification. So wala kaming way of using our own phones inside the production. Pure work lang talaga kami inside. Walang halong alam mo yun, walang halong me time, walang halong petics, kumbaga. Walang ganun. One more thing that I learned yesterday is there were times na they are giving discounted ticket prices para sa cruise, and there were times na eligible kami for the vouchers. So I'm looking forward to that, and I'm manifesting that I can claim one of, well, not just one kasi I want to bring 4 people dun sa cruise. So I'm manifesting that I am manifesting and claiming that I can claim 4 tickets para sa cruise. So 4 tickets, that's for my mom, yung eldest na nephew, yung middle nephew, and then yung bunsong nephew. So yeah, hopefully I can claim all 4 once there's a discounted price or vouchers that they are going to give, para lahat kami sabay-sabay kami makapag-cruise kami, di ba? It's going to be amazing. Claiming and manifesting that it's gonna happen. What else? So we also had a quick meet and greet with the operations managers. Dalawa sila. So, one Chinese and then the other one's Malaysian. Yung isa, I can recognize her kasi siya yung nag-interview, not really interview, but it's a meet and greet sa akin. And what else? They also mentioned that this is just the 3rd year of the account. And so, initially, they started with Asia Pacific lang. And eventually, they were given also the US account. And then, moving forward, magkaka-UK account na rin. So, they are not announcing that they are ramping, probably because hindi pa ganun kalaki yung volume of calls, pero I'm looking forward na rin na umabot sa ganun kasi I want to invite other agents, yung mga naging agents ko before, to also try it here kasi ang laki ng opportunity here. What else pa ba? Basically, that's it lang naman. And then today, we're not sure yet kung ano mangyayari, but yeah, hopefully it's much better than yesterday. Later guys. Sisig. Sisig here. Which buckets? This one. Go with that. It's not. This one. Ayaw na maybe. This chocolate. Here. So I bought this instant coffee for 4.90 ringgit. Technically that's 5 na. 5 ringgit. And it's for 5 sachets. Five sachets for parang it's like 1 ringgit per sachet. So ano to? 3-in-1 coffee. Sana masarap. And sana strong ang coffee flavor. What's this? What's this? What's this? Egg? Day 3 ng training. Mga press pa.
1 month.
So, okay. Yes. Yes. It's on the settings. Sir, yeah, it used to have a screen protector, but I replaced it. I just wonder. It's actually this fallen multiple times already. There's a lot of dents, there's a lot of scratch marks, and I'm not a part of like having a screen protector.
Saan yung copy?
AI pala siya.
Muso ko. Ano? Kalak pinili niya.
At tapos may ice.
Kinokontrol niya yung ano, machine.
Hot pa dapat?
Kinokontrol niya yung machine. Okay lang kasi may kinokontrol niya yung machine. Sabog yan.
Uy. Just got a free coffee dahil sa nag-sign up lang. May freebies.
Hati-hati.
Which is sa ating salary.
Okay. And
So,
then,
makaka-move in na tayo.
But make sure yung agent nyo,
Opo. Kasi yung... So, ito yung missing.
sorry.
So, ito yung...
Gagalit si Mau eh.
Kapi ka na naman.
Tapos, at August 30, kasama mo.
Guys, sobrang laki ng ng serving nila. See? Sulit ang 13. Sobrang dami ng food. Hindi na kaya.
Tug na ako.
Sobra.
Parang dito bawasan yung noodles niya.
Yeah, it's good. Grabe. Ay, wait. There. Is there no 4, 14, 24?
Because
Yes.
Number 4 is very bad luck
Bad luck.
for
Why?
Asians, for Chinese especially, but I'm not sure Plaza Central should.
Sa lasa kaya parang
Pero yung yung dami niya, madami talaga. Day 3 of training, done!
kari to, di ba? Kain na rin dito.
Mami ko. Tarin ng mint yun eh, kaya...
Ano naman yung health benefits?
Oh, healthy ah. Nga pag nag-ice cream kami sa bahay, namimitas kami ng mint, lalagay namin sa bahay.
Mint lips?
Parang bago.
Tama.
Ito,
Parang
parang...
narinig na nga ito eh. Yung mali ka na kari, masarap din.
Saan meron?
Yun sa food court tayo na nakakita.
Next time.
Inom? Ang ganda ka pa ng inumin mo?
Oh.
Ah, sa